Now we are going to see the beginning of Caliphate. As Prophet Muhammad left for his heavenly abode, that is, by his death in 632 century. After his death, the Caliphs, led the Muslims. So the Caliphate means the leaders. This is a name given to the Muslim government. After the death of Muhammad, the Caliphs Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and Ali were the first four successors of Prophet Muhammad, and they ruled over 30 years. So this is the beginning of Caliphate. After the death of Prophet Muhammad, the Caliphs, they led the Muslim society and they were called Caliphs. And the successor of Prophet Muhammad, Abu Bakr, formed a new political organization, the Caliphate. And the first Caliph, Abu Bakr, launched a number of campaigns to suppress the revolts which started after the death of Muhammad. So, as we know, the teachings of Prophet Muhammad had an impact in the society. Some rejected and most of the Arabs they received. So there were by and then revolts are there. So the first Caliph Abu Bakr tried to suppress the revolt. And the second Caliph Umar adopted the policy expansion of the power of Ummah. Ummah we have studied earlier. It is the name or it is the society, community of the Muslims living together. The Muslims started living in a community during this time, and it was known as Ummah. So the society life of Muslims, also Islam religion, is called Ummah. And the second Caliph Umar adopted the policy of expansion of the power of Ummah. And so they tried to conquer the Byzantine and Sasanian empires. And we see in the history, during the Arab invasions, strength of both these empires declined. We have studied earlier the decline of Byzantine and Sasanian empires. Hence the Arabs brought Iraq, Syria, Iran and Egypt under control of Medina with the three successful campaigns. So the Arabs, the Muslims, were getting powerful in these nations. The third Caliph, Uthman, launched further campaigns to gain control over Central Asia. So the expansion, the military power of the Arabs was expanding over Central Asia too. And the fourth Caliph, Ali, moved his capital to Kufa in Iraq. After the death of Ali in 661 century, Umayyad dynasty was founded. So after the fourth Caliph, we see the birth of the new dynasty called Umayyad dynasty. We will study that in detail later. And we see in the history, the Islam religion later got split into Sunni and Shia sects. So there is a division in the society, in the religion. The Sunnis believed in the four caliphs. Namely, we have studied the names, the first four successors of Prophet Muhammad, Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman and Ali. And the Sunnis, they believed in these four caliphs. And they are the majority group. And the Shias were the followers of Ali, son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad, and believe in the 12 Imams who guide the faithful to paradise. This is the reason for the split. And Ali, the son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad, and the 12 Imams who guide the faithful to the paradise. So we study Here we study the beginning of the caliphate, the basic for successors of Prophet Muhammad, and the division in the society into Sunni and Shia sects.